Ever had your phone sliding all over your workbench while you're trying to follow a tutorial? Yeah, me too. But today, we're fixing that with a simple DIY phone holder that'll keep your phone secure, hands-free, and exactly where you need it. This is a quick and easy project using scrap wood and basic tools, perfect for any DIYer. Stick around, and I'll show you how to make one yourself. Alright, here's what you'll need for this build. Chances are, you already have most of these in your shop. Free if you're a scrap hoarder like me. Gotta keep things solid. No fancy tools needed. Smooth edges make happy hands. You can grab all of this at your local hardware store for under $10, cheaper than a store-bought phone stand, and way more satisfying to build yourself. Let's get cutting! We're keeping it simple with a base, a back support, and a small lip to hold the phone. A 6-inch base and a 4-inch back support should work for most phones, but you can tweak the size. A little wood glue, a couple of screws, and you're good to go. You don't want splinters on your fingers every time you grab your phone, so smooth those edges. Now for the fun part, let's put this thing to the test. Check. No more phone face plants. Hands-free, baby. And there you have it, your very own DIY workbench phone holder. Super simple, totally functional, and best of all, customizable. Want to add a charging slot, a rotating base? The possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comments how you would customize yours.